Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are printing Ghana cedis, dollar, euro, naira, everything. I hope you are printing USD as usual. So in today's video, I'm gonna be breaking down my simplest trading strategy that I use on day-to-day basis that allows me to catch trades like this, and it allows me to make a living from forex. I took a trade today on gold and I made about, regardless how much I made, but I was able to secure the payout from FundingPips, and that is a $2,600 payout. So I'm basically gonna break down the trade I took on my FundingPips account that made me this amount of money. I'm going to break it down for you people so you can learn something valuable, and hopefully you are going to implement by the end of this video. You guys know that I am Mr. Break and Retest. I'm Mr. Breaker blocks. Yes, the trade is basically a breaker block setup, so I'm going to break down everything for you, right? So if you're excited, feel free to stay till the end of this video. But not only that, I have an announcement to make in this video, so feel free to stay focused. Okay, let's get into today's content. Let's go. So this is the trade I took on gold today, and this trade ran for basically 6 hours. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to delete everything on this chart here. I'm gonna delete everything, and I'm going to explain exactly what you should be doing on daily basis before you can catch trades like this, right? So the first thing you guys know, as when it comes to trading, most important part is you have to understand market structure. You have to understand if price is going up or price is going down, because if price is going up and then you are selling, then you are going to be hitting stop losses. There is no way you are going to make a living from trading when you are going against the trend. So first, the trend is your friend. You have to go with the trend, right? So in this case here, we can clearly see that price been selling, right? If I zoom in a big outside here, you can clearly see that price is going down, pullback, price going down, pullback, price going down, price going down. So if we know that price action is going for a sell, that means that I myself am gonna do what? I'm gonna be selling price to the downside. So this is one thing really important when it comes to trading. You have to understand the market structure. So in this case here, I can see price is bearish, so all I need to do is sell gold, right? So that is exactly what I did today. So that is just one side of the thing. Now the other thing is you have to choose the trading session you're gonna be trading. After you said that you want to be selling since price is going down, then you have to choose the trading session. And for me, you guys know already, I'm Mr. London and New York session. I don't usually trade Asia session because Asia, I go to sleep. So that is the trading session I'm trading, London session and New York session. And for me, there is one indicator that I use for the session, which is actually called ICT IPDA boxes. So in this case here on my chart, you can see that there's this ICT IPDA boxes here. So you have to add that to your chart, and then come to input, and then have the same exact input I have here. So London session is 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York session is 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. and Asia session is 20 to midnight. So you should have these sessions, these settings, and then make sure you have a nice color for everything. So once you do set it up, then your chart is gonna look something like this. So Asia for me is this gray box, London is for me is this purple box, and then New York for me is this blue box. So once you have this session, all you want to do is you wait, right? So since you can see clearly that price is currently at my Asia session inside of this Asia box, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for the Asia box to close, and you guys see that the Asia box has stopped already. So once the Asia box has stopped, then I'm now waiting for that purple box to start, which is like which is a London session for me to be trading. So in this case, I'm gonna be waiting, I'm gonna be chilling, I'm waiting for what? The purple box to start. So if the purple box doesn't stop, I'm not trading. Yes, you guys can clearly see that the purple box has now opened, right? So once I have this purple box, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be breaking down like the exact entry model I use on daily basis, right? So what I'm gonna be doing here is that once you have your market structure, which is really important, once you do have your market structure, not assuming, but what price mostly do is it creates a high, right? So that high for me is a, and then as that A is there, I'm waiting for price to drop, break down structure, right? Break down structure to the downside, and then it will now give me a B. So once you have this A to B formation, all you want to do is look at price, waiting for price to give you a pullback, and then sell to the downside. And that pullback you are waiting for price to pull back to a key level, like a level that is really important for you. So where am I expecting the pullback? I'm either expecting a pullback exactly from this level, which is a breakout block to me, or I'm expecting a pullback from this high here, which is also another block for me. So these are the two most powerful levels I use all the time. Either you have the breakout block or you have the order block. Very simple. Okay, there's nothing simpler than this. Before I continue this video here, I want to let you guys know that I have created a full course, AstuceFX mentorship. I break down everything, right, like literally everything: how to create an account from Profirm, how to create an account from a broker, how to trade the right trading strategy, and all of that. I did everything packaged in my trading course. So if you want to get access to it, check the link below this video here, link in the description. So since we have this A and B here, like we have A, B to the downside, and then we have these two key levels, all I'm expecting price to do is give me a pullback, tap one of this level, and then give me a sell setup. This is all I would want to see price doing. Okay, price either come give me a sell here, or price either come give me a sell here. Once I have this, I'm just gonna take the sell and target the opposite side liquidity. So this is basically like what I use on day-to-day basis. Hope you all get it. So now let me come back to the chart here. So this is basically the chart, and I can break down the same way I just said right now. So we have a high. Okay, let me try to zoom in. So where is our A? Your goal is to get the A, which is this high here. Where is your B? Your B is this low here. And where is the breakout structure? The breakout structure is this low here. So once you have all of this, all you need to do is mark your key levels. So for me, the key levels are this breakout block right here. So you're gonna be marking what this breakout block as a key level, and then the second thing is you want to be marking this high here as another block as well. So you mark this as well. So these are the two levels I want to be selling price. I'm either gonna be selling from this zone here, or I'm either gonna be selling from this zone here. So these are the two zones I'm looking to sell price action to the downside. So once you have this, all you need to do is, of course, you have to be trading within your trading session. And since my trading session just started here, all I want to do is I just where's the play button? Yes, I just play, and then I wait for price to give me some sort of confirmation. So as price broke this low to the downside here, then it's now telling me that price is now getting ready to sell to the downside. But for me, I think I took that sell before price break that low there. I had my stop loss somewhere above this high here, and then my take profit, I just went for a smooth 6-hour trade. My full TP would have been here, but that would have been like 2 hours, so I just went for this 6-hour setup, and eventually price took a while, and eventually it hit full TP. So this is the trade I took here, full TP hit, and then the same trade I sent to my VIP signal group as well. I hope you guys see here, I have my VIP signal group here, and this was the setup that was sent. The stop loss was about 100 pips, the take profit one was 160 pips, and full take profit is about what is about 600 pips. So that's like a 6-hour trade, and that is exactly the same 6-hour trade as you guys see here. So this is basically the trade I took, and that trade I took on my FundingPips live account. So this is the live account I have here. I'm currently up 2.6k, and if I do scroll down here, you'll see exactly that. Yes, that was the trade I took, and it made me an overall of $6,400. So yes, there is a potential for you to actually unlock, and then you can turn that trading that you always trading into a real full-time job in a way. So if you guys interested in this sort of content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And by the way, if you want to buy an account from FundingPips, because I got well over $164,000 in payout from them, you can also use my coupon code AstuceFX. You're gonna get 20% off on any account you buy. I'm saying any account. If you want to buy 100k, you have to use the coupon code FP10 to get also, I think, 10% off. And you can use the coupon code on any purchase. If it's your first account, second account, third account, your 10th account, okay, you can just buy using the coupon code AstuceFX. You don't have any limitation. You can buy as many accounts you want, up to I think 300k in max allocation. So this is my go-to trading strategy. A to B, market structure, break of structure to the downside, breakout block, order block, price come tap, breakout block, sell, bam, there you go. That is the simplest thing I'm ever gonna teach you people. So again, I'm gonna say it again, if you guys want to learn the full breakdown how I trade, you want to learn everything about trading, feel free to check the link below this video to go and get access to that as well. So I think that would be pretty much it for today's content. If you like something or if you've learned something, feel free to share the video with your friend. Feel free to subscribe so you can watch my next video when I make for you, because I'm gonna be making a lot of content and hopefully you are going to be learning a lot of things as well. So yes, that'd be it, and thank you very much. See you guys on my next trading content. Ciao.